Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Pine script in Tradingview in 2026. So first of all, come here on Tradingview. Afterwards, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you. So once you have launched the chart, simply click on the option of indicators. In the indicators, look for the option that says My Scripts. In the My Scripts, you will see the option of Create Script. So when you click on the option of create script, it is going to open just like so. So over here, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. After that, you just have to click on the option of new tab, or you can also click on the option of editor settings in order to make changes or edit this particular section. So once you have opened it over here, you just have to press Ctrl plus A. After that, you need to remove the default script that is available here from this list. So once you have done that, now you just have to paste the script which you have basically available here. So once you have added it, simply save the script by giving it a name. After that, click on the option of add to cart and click on the option of save. So this way you will be able to add your Pine script in TradingView very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.